Yes, as our society was divided into four sections. First, Brahmin, they were intellectual people. Kshatriya, they were brave warriors. They were warriors. Then Vaishya, they were traders, and Shudra, they were the service class people. He did not believe in that. He was very close to his rituals of Brahmin, but he did not believe that there should be any kind of barrier between these four sections. He did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. Mingle means communicate, talk to each other. Yes, mingle. Mingle. Mingle means they could talk to each other and from the various societies. So he did his best to break social barriers. सामाजिक बाधाएं जो हैं उनको तोड़ने की उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की. That people from varying backgrounds, means from different backgrounds, people could mingle easily. They could talk to each other, speak in a directly with each other. He used to spend hours with me and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with. This is the word, this is a phrase. On par with means at the same level. On par with means at the same level. He, Mr. Iyer, used to spend hours with Kalam and he used to say that I want to develop you. मैं तुम्हें विकसित करना चाहता हूं, मैं तुम्हें इस लायक बनाना चाहता हूं that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big city, ताकि तुम उनके बराबर हो सको जो शहरों में रहने वाले हाईली एजुकेटेड लोग हैं, उनके बराबर अपने आप को पहुंचा सको. One day he invited me to his home for a meal. One day he invited me, means Kalam, to his home for a meal. His wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen. She was horrified. वो डर गई, भयभीत थी इस बात से कि for what idea that a Muslim boy being invited to dine means to have food, to eat food in her ritually pure kitchen. Ritually pure kitchen means धार्मिक रूप से जो उनकी शुद्ध रसोई थी उसमें आकर एक मुस्लिम बच्चा उनके साथ खाना खाएगा, इस आइडिया से उनको डर लगा. She did not, because I have already told you that she was a very traditional or conservative type of lady and she didn't allow anybody outsider from different religion to come and share her kitchen. So that's why she was afraid of. So ritually pure means kept protected from all outside influences for the observance of religion. So yes, she refused to serve me in her kitchen. His wife, Mr. Iyer's wife, refused to serve me in her kitchen. अपने रसोई में खाना खिलाने से मना कर दिया. Siva Subramania Iyer was not perturbed. Perturbed means did not get angry. He was not upset at this act of his wife. Siva Subramania Iyer was not upset, nor did he get angry with his wife. और ना ही उनको अपनी वाइफ पे गुस्सा आया, but instead served me with his own hands and sat down beside me to eat his meal. So what you can see, that he was the person who was trying his level best to break the social barrier. When wife refused to serve food, he himself served it to APJ Abdul Kalam, and he also sat beside him and had food. His wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. His wife was watching it, everything. Wondered means I was thinking. Wonder does not mean कि आश्चर्य था. I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice, I drank water, or cleaned the floor after the meal. I think उसने कहा कि I think she was observing that was there any difference in eating habits of rice, in drinking water manner, and cleaning the floor after the meal. When I was leaving his house, Siva Subramania Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again the next weekend. Again उनको invite किया कि next weekend पे आप हमारे साथ आकर dinner करिए. Observing my hesitation, but Abdul Kalam was hesitating. He didn't want to go. He didn't want to come for the dinner again. He was hesitating, and on watching all these things, he told me not to get upset. He says not to get upset, don't worry, saying once, and what he says, a very punching line, very important line. He says, what were the lines? Here I just tell you that once you decide to change the system, such problems have to be confronted. He says that once you have decided to change the system, such problems have to be confronted. Confronted means you have to face such problems. एक बार अगर आपने इस सिस्टम को, जो सोशल सिस्टम्स बने हुए हैं, सोशल क्राइटेरियाज बने हुए हैं, अगर इनको चेंज करने की कोशिश करोगे तो ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना तुमको करना पड़ेगा. When I visited his house the next week, Siva Subramaniam Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. This time the things were changed. This was the change. That first time Iyer's wife refused to serve food to APJ in her kitchen, but this time she herself served the food for him. So this was the change. Moving to the next paragraph 10. Then the Second World War was over and India's freedom was imminent. Imminent, here is the word you can see, I highlight it. Imminent. Yes, MIMMINENT. Imminent means to say about to happen. When the Second World War over, India was also about to get freedom. The same time was going on, and Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. Gandhiji declared that Indians will build their own India. इंडिया के लोग, भारत के लोग, भारतीय लोग अपना देश, अपना भारत खुद बनाएंगे. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Unprecedented optimism. Unprecedented means never done or known before. पहले से जिसकी ऐसी कभी कल्पना ना की हो, ऐसा कोई सोचा भी ना हो. With such kind of optimism, all the people of the country filled with joy. I asked my father to permission to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram. For now, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to go to district headquarters Ramanathapuram, and he wanted permission from his father. Right? Now the last paragraph you can see here, 11th paragraph. He told me as if thinking aloud, Abdul, I know you have to go to grow. Abdul, I know you have to go to grow. Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone and without a nest? He says that